Hey YouTubers, Farm Boy Reef here. So we're just heading down to the South Mountain Derby right now. It's the fair in one of our towns. So Landon had entered him into a Power Wheels competition. So I got his John Deere Gator here in the back of the Hummer. So we got it all ready to perform. So what they have to do in this heat, they have balloons, and he has to take on other kids with their Power Wheels as well. So it should be very exciting. So I'm gonna tape all that there for him. I had the GoPro all set up, but it's not working correctly, so I'm not gonna be able to get the GoPro angle. But oh well, I'll get some good recordings anyway. So the Gator's all ready to go. I just got back from my buddy Tim Gilmer, just living down the road from me. He's got his car in the Demolition Derby as well, so it should be a good heat. End up sponsoring him, put my logo on the top of his roof, a little bit of real estate on there. It should be good to go. It's going to look pretty good. I'll show you guys that in a little while. So just heading down to South Mountain Fair, guys. I got Danielle in front of me in the minivan. Didn't have enough room here in the Hummer, so I got Landon and Danielle in front of me. So we're just heading down, guys. So let's start. We'll see what's going to happen, what's going to take place, and hopefully Landon will take first. You never know. So I got his Gator here. I just am putting the decal on the front, Farm Boy Reef, because we're sponsoring them.
You're probably good. You want to start it?
Because there was a piece of well, I'm right.
Well, if you wanted to drink that. Someone brought a meat for me.
Listen. Go in.
You guys have to stay in your car at all times. So you're gonna have a balloon on the front and the back, and your mom or dad and your mom so they're falling off. We're gonna try to run off each other's balloons, and whoever has the last balloon wins. Does anyone have
So you guys have to get up there.
I bet you we have a Brandon also. Woo! Landon Merkley, you're like number one over here. Yeah. They had to keep making the name smaller after you because they didn't realize there's going to be so many. Yeah. What's your favorite food? What is it? Your favorite food is?
Cheeseburgers?
Cheeseburgers. Oh, I love cheeseburgers. I love everything. From the side. Cheeseburgers. Cheeseburgers. I love it. All right. Do you have any older brothers or younger sisters, or older brothers and younger sisters and older brothers?
Younger brothers?
I got Gavin and Hayden.
Gavin and Hayden?
Yeah.
Awesome. Are they older or younger?
2.
They're younger.
They're younger. 2
and 1.
There's a little boy who's got 3 younger sisters.
1 and 2.
He's scrupled. I'm telling you.
Yeah. 1 and 2.
Awesome. 2 younger brothers, Gavin and Hayden.
Yep.
Awesome. RJ! Woohoo! Where's RJ? Okay. Yeah. One sister. I didn't know you were waiting for me. I was just killing time here. Okay.
Where's Dusty?
Where's Dusty? Yeah. He's over waiting for us so he can watch us.
I'm gonna drive my
You're gonna drive? Yeah, exactly, son. Good job. You can do it, man.
Colin, tell Colin.
What's that?
Tell Colin.
Tell Colin? Yeah. You guys are gonna teamwork it? Right? What's that?
You got your feet on there.
Yeah, my feet are hanging over the edge.
Absolutely. All right, so we're going to drive that car in and around, Samantha, and you're going to be able to see it. It's a Chevy Power. I'm sorry for it. It's a Chevy Power.
There's the Farm Boy Reef car right there. Tim Gilmer's car, Yabba Dabba Doo. Farm Boy Reef's on the roof. So we're just on the move. Tim Gilmer, driver of the Farm Boy Reef. Going into the game arena. Hey Landon, you ready for this? Alright? Hey Landon. Hey buddy.
This is going to be a blast. Hey David, you ready? I'm ready. All of Kempville is ready. Is everybody ready? Oh, you don't sound ready. Okay, folks, is everybody ready? Woo! One. That's sad. Over here we start with okay, we already have some pump and access to number 16. That's the last one, and we have 2 pumps over here. So if we get him an official to tell this guy he's done. He's lost both his balloons. Still driving around number 44, Owen Rogers. Oh, he gets a balloon pumped on as the, wow, there's a lot that hang on. If you pump empty balloons, they're going to tell you to stop. Owen Antonucci still up there in number 16. Oh, look at that! Put some brakes on it. That's some really, really good driving. That's the number 1 vehicle of Colin Gilmer. Oh, look at that! He's pushing completely. He's been taking a brake on it. Unbelievable. All right, they're all trying to go after that Gator, the big John Deere. As the number 77, Landon Berkeley, should have had the brakes on. He's lost both his balloons, so he's all done. Somebody stop him. He's in the far corner, but he's lost both his balloons. They don't turn that great. She's lost both of her balloons. Look at that, she's on the road, sir. Just driving around with Sunday drive with a big helmet. You got, oh, look here, look here. Still has one balloon. Just try to get her. Try to get that balloon. No, sir. No, sir. Still with 1 balloon, the number 18 is Brady Foster. Colin Gilmer still with 1 balloon on the front. And we are looking at who is out. Right over here we have number 88 machine. R.J. Perry, and he's still got 1 balloon on the back of his machine. Hey guys, you gotta take the balloons off of anybody who has one. Woo! There goes one. We're looking for it. Look here, he's being stalked. He's one bad mama jimma right there. Number 9 is under fire. Whoa. Yeah, who's number 9? We're looking for him.
Keep going, keep going.
She still has both of her balloons left. Look at the policeman. Woo-hoo! He's having fun. He's going after her balloon. She may finally lose, but no, sir. Okay, move him into the center. Move him into the center. In we go, into the center. Keep going in. Whoa! Try to hit that balloon, I think. Move him into the center. Here we go. Drive into the center that way. Huh? Back into the center. The batteries are doing way better than I thought. I think there's only one guy out here whose battery's a little bit low. Of Jack Finley, still in it, still with one on the back, and we are looking at it.